Your Majesty, there is no abusive word Ibekwe did not bring on us. To the extent that he said, if I wasn't his in-law, he would have taught me a lesson of my life. Ibekwe, can you imagine that? Ibekwe.
I even wanted to talk to him. He shunned me and said that the discussion is over, that I should get out from his house. Your Majesty, I have never received this kind of insult in my life.
I know his problem. Poverty has eaten deep into his brain that he can no longer reason like a rational being. Come to think of it, this is a man I wanted to erase poverty from his lineage completely, but he has refused.
Imagine, he asked me to walk out, not to walk out, to get tiles from his house.
Anyway, as for his daughter, Lovett, she is already my son's wife. Wow. Because the gods have ordained it.
That I should get her from his house.
It's okay.
Ibekwe?
Ozugo, it's okay. Calm down. You both go and rest. Thank you. Calm down.
The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right.
Ibekwe, what kind of a man are you? Why are you treating our daughter like this? Why have you decided to terminate anything that will give her joy? Why are you so mean and wicked to the extent of rejecting the bride price that the elders came here to pay on our head? This is pure wickedness.
Can you hear yourself talk? Agnes, I am asking you, can you hear yourself talk?
Ibekwe, I am not deaf. I can hear myself loud and clear.
You call yourself a mother, yet you cannot play the role of a good mother. What is your problem?
God in heaven knows that I am a good mother to my daughter. God knows that I am doing what I am supposed to do as a mother. Is it a crime for me to accept a man who is wealthy and well-to-do to marry my daughter? Is it a crime for me to accept that?
Under which condition? Agnes, I am asking you, under which condition? When I married you, did I or my father send our kinsmen to come and pay your bride price? Or did I send anybody to come and pay your bride price? Have Igwe or the prince come to this house asking for our daughter's hand in marriage? Huh? What is your problem?
Ibekwe, let me answer your question. When you married me, that was then. And the reason your father and yourself did not send delegates to come and pay my bride price was because you were not having money. The little money you had, if you give to them to pay my bride price, you were scared of Apriko. Are you Igwe? Igwe Diego? The prince has money. They can send the kinsmen to come and pay my daughter's bride price. This time and that time is not the same thing, no. They are two different times. This is modern age. Everything has modernized. Then you were in olden days. So they are two different things. I want you to understand that.
If you had the mega Anaba Pilico, in case the book Queen Elizabeth, Queen Eliza, Anaba Pilico Nishigi. See, I paid your bride price complete. To that time, your father gave me change.
My father pitied you.
Your father gave me change.
My father pitied you and any change in a bride price.
Your father pitied me. Your father pitied me. Only le pity me na popu na aja unubi. Popu na aja unubi. Obo na nje go te block doye miliga mabun. Let me tell you, you see this music you are playing. Agnes, you see this music you are playing. Time shall come where you will not be able to dance it. Mark my word. Now leave my side. I want to go inside and rest.
Ibeko, I'm not going anywhere. Tell me why you're being wicked and mean. Tell me why.
Agnes, at the count of 3, get out of my way. I want to go inside and rest.
Ibeko, at the count of 2, stay there. I want to stay outside and look.
Agnes, 1.
Ibeko, 2.
Agnes 2.
Ibekwe 3. Ibekwe! Ayo, my neck! You are a stupid man! You are a stupid man! You are a wicked man! You are a wicked man! The music I'm playing, I can be able to dance to the tune anytime, any day. Ayo, hey, in fact, you are a beast in prison in a human body. You are a woman beater. Oh no, no wonder you are not fat. If you like eat and eat and eat and eat and eat, open up, okay? Wicked man, joy killer.
Your father rejected the money and sent Onowu and others away.
Why would my father do that?
I don't know. Your father hates you. Yes, I have to say that. Because no man will say that a prince of this noble kingdom forsaking his daughter's hand in marriage. Your father doesn't want your happiness. He hates you.
You are not far from the truth, my queen. My father hates me so much. He doesn't want my happiness. Please, my queen. Don't let my father's attitude to stop this marriage. Please.
I am afraid. If things continues like this, something will go wrong. Better talk to your father. If you know how to convince him, if you know how to talk to him, you better do that. If you can't, tell your mother to do her duty as a mother. Very important.
I will do that, my queen. Please, have pity on me, please.
Very important. You have to do that.
I will. Please, my queen. Have pity on me, please. What kind of a father is this? Why is my father so mean and so wicked to me? I must marry the prince, whether he likes it or not. Papa, what is your problem? What is your problem, Papa? What have I done to you? Why are you so wicked and heartless, Papa? Papa, who do you think you are? Nothing. You have nothing to show that you're a complete man because you are poor. You are very poor, Papa. Yet you want people to worship you like a king. A whole Igwe of our kingdom sent his cabinet members to come and pay my bride price. Papa, what did you do? You sent them away. Papa, you are so wicked. Papa, you are heartless. Papa, you are, in fact, you are everything evil in this life. I hate you, Papa. Papa, you are very wicked. You are evil. I hate you. You are not more my father. I disowned you. If I miss Prince, Papa, if I miss this Prince, hey,
Agnes.
Christ, hey. If I miss this man,
Agnes, can you talk to this your daughter to behave herself before it appears on social media that a man angrily hit you, strangle his daughter to death? Are you insane? Are you insane?
Jesus.
Are you stupid? Why must you talk to me in that manner? Look at you. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Huh? I made you who you are. You are asking me what I've done to you after spending my hard-earned money training you in the university. You are insulting me because you bundle yourself into a Igwe's house. Look at you. The man you are referring to as your husband don't even want to see you.
Who told you that?
See, if you don't take time, if you don't behave yourself, I will disown you.
Papa, you slapped me. Papa, you slapped your future.
And I will do it again if you don't take time.
Papa, you slapped me. You slapped your future. You slapped your queen. In fact, your queen. You slapped me, Papa. The Igwe must hear this. You slapped me.
Come on, get out of my sight.
Ibekwe, I don't like what you just did though. You have no right whatsoever to slap her because she's your daughter, right? She's somebody's wife. She's the princess' wife. You have no right to slap her. Don't try it next time.
You are a fool.
Do
you know that you are a fool? You are a fool. Don't allow me to lay my hands on you. You are a fool. Come on, get out of my sight.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Agnes, leave my side.
Rubbish you're doing. I'm not running, no. I am not.
You are not loved. I'll come and stand and challenge me. Useless woman.
You think I'm running? I am not running. I know where
Are you still talking? Are you still talking? Are you still talking?
What? Your father slapped you? Is he not aware that you are now someone's wife to be? The prince of this kingdom's wife to be. He had the guts to slap you. Your Majesty, this is an insult to the royal family. And I am sure you're not going to keep quiet, are you?
Guards! Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty. Go to Ibekwe's house
and bring him here. If he gives you any trouble whatsoever, deal mercilessly with him. Drag him here before my presence. Now go.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Go!
It's okay, my darling.
My cheeks.
No, it's okay. Stop crying, okay? Oh, yeah, no, there. Just calm down.
Who is here? Who is here? Who is here? Who is in this house? Who is here? Wazico, good day. Good day, Wazico.
Yes. What do you want?
Igwe sent us to come and bring you to the palace.
Igwe sent you to come and bring me to the palace. What for?
I think that question should go to the Igwe when you get to the palace.
Ha! Guards of the royal palace. What is happening here? Is there any problem?
Madam, we don't know. We are only the messenger. The king sent us to come and bring your husband to the palace.
Palace kwa? Hey.
It's okay. Go and tell the king that I will soon be there.
Wazico, no. The Igwe said you should come with us to the palace. That if you refuse to follow us, we should force you to the palace.
Are you insane? Igwe sent you to come and force me to the palace in Kijiburonye. Yeah, I was saying for some cat I force one. Hold my hand. Hold my hand now. Igwe asked you to come and force me to the palace.
Wazico, please respect yourself and come with us.
I'm talking and you are still talking. Oh, when back was it as number? Igwe said you should come and force me to the palace. We are talking as a man to man.
Please,
okay, fine. Okay, so in my case, Ayobiko. Because of you, not only Agoya Legic and the Hausa. Also, what I'm not palace of where when I get.
Can I follow you in case of anything? Because all the care Egwe na Tukwani.
Egwe na Tum. Egwe, come on, Nagan. I
can follow you.
Don't follow me. I can stay in your house. Don't follow us.
I can join you people, oh.
I can stay in the house. Don't follow us. What is your problem? Stay in the house.
How dare you? How dare you lay your filthy hands on my son's wife, you wretch?
Your Majesty, this girl, this idiot who's sitting down here is my daughter. And I have not given her to her hand in marriage to anybody, not even you or your son. So, and I have every right to caution her whenever she goes wrong. What is she doing here? You're in your husband's house. You are in your husband's house. You are in your husband's house. Adam have been born to Lord, you taking a palace society. You went God, this is your husband's house.
Enjoying myself.
Yeah. Love it.
I sent the Ono and some cabinet elders to your house to facilitate the payment of bride price and other traditional things. But what did you do? You walked them out of your house. Through of us.
Can you hear yourself talk? A holy God from one kingdom. Can you hear yourself talk? Do you know that at times I used to ask myself, why did the Umwana community give you this car? As Idigwe. You are asking me why I chased the fools you sent to my house. Woman, this is man-to-man talk. Keep yourself out of this. Allow me and Igwe to sort ourselves out. Please, I tell God beg you, I sent those fools away because you and your son did not come in a proper way of marrying a wife in our community. It is not our customs and tradition. So what is my daughter doing here? Huh? What is she doing here? See, as far as I'm concerned, she is as fully as unborn baby. She has not gotten married. And you, okay, forget you are married. Yes. Look at you. Your balance here. Your last year as a prince's wife.
I'm happy here.
I don't even know why you are here. What we're enjoying here. Look at all my body heat. Their condition. This cockroach pot is not even working. Look at all my body heat. Take your time.
You came with the heat.
Okay, I came with the heat.
You came with the heat. It's not from here.
I don't blame you.
It's from your house.
And you, next time Igwe send both of you to my house for this kind of nonsense message, I will burn you to ashes. Idiot. Let have this kind the fly to Badima. That way. I was expecting to come here at the last. Look at you have a condition, your condition is not even working. And you call yourself people, this idiot last year.
I am talking and you are talking back at me.
Your Majesty,
this is an insult.
You filthy thing. I am talking. Your king is talking and you're talking back at him. Guards!
Yes, Your Majesty.
Deal with him mercilessly. Drag him to the floor and deal with him mercilessly.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Hey! Odo bla mo ko gba keta o me bu ko tu aba me bu ko ya ay apa
doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right. The rich doesn't care how the poor feels.
Love it. My own daughter I gave birth to. Connived with Igwe and those zombies that call themselves guys, and they did this to me. Prophet, I will curse you. I will curse any day I wake up. I remember you. I will curse you. I will curse you. These people are wicked. Umwaka nwere aja obi. Hey.
Ndị Iro m ga-atụtụ kom kom kom. Onye Iro m ga-atụtụ kom kom, a ga-atụtụ kom kom, onye Iro m ga-atụtụ kom kom. Asị bụ ndị Iro m ga-atụtụ kom kom, a ga-apịa ha jam kom kom, a ga-atụtụ kom kom. Ga-atụtụ kom kom. A ga-atụtụ kom kom. A ga-atụtụ kom kom kom. My husband. Dimoma. My husband. Honey. I brought hot water to massage you so that the pains will reduce.
If you touch me with that hot water, to God who made me, I will use this hot water to blind you forever.
Nai, I remember when you used this your walking stick on my neck. You did not ask me if I need hot water. But I'm being a good woman. I just want to help you with hot water. Nani. Let me massage you. Let me help you.
Agnes, respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Nah, let me just help you.
Agnes, if you don't touch me with that hot water,
everywhere
has
swelling up. Everywhere.
It's none of your business. It's my body, not your body.
Let me just.
It's my body, not your body.
You have apple every part of. Jam. Nah, let me just help you. Nah. Let me help you. Let me use the hot water to massage you. Nani.
Agnes, respect yourself. Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
A good and a virtuous woman. Nani. Oh. Is it penny you? Ndo. Sorry. Apiagi jam. Nanyo! I'm not the guard, so. I am not the guard, so I'm not the Igwe.
Agnes, you. No wonder when I came to marry you, one of your kinsmen told me that your mother was a witch when she was alive. Now you have inherited the witchcraft. No problem.
After how many years of living with you, you're just realizing that my mother.
When will all this evil thought about woman go stop? Hatred, anger, jealousy, but one thing is for sure. The truth must prevail one day. Let's not forget that the world is turning around.
What is it? What are you doing in my room? What is it?
I want to talk to you, my princess.
You want to talk to me? Me? What could a common palace maid talk to me about? A princess and the future queen of this kingdom, what is it? Talk now, I'm listening.
My princess, how could you do that to your own father?
To the extent that you watched ordinary palace guard flog your own father and you did nothing.
My princess, I will tell you the truth. If nobody has told you this, what you did was uncalled for. He is your own father. You have to go home and apologize to your father. Before he lays a curse on you, that one, nobody can reverse it though.
The nerves and the guts. Are you mad? Is something wrong with your head? How dare you talk to me? A princess and the future queen of this kingdom. You are talking to me that way. Now listen to me. Listen very carefully. If you ever in your stupid life talk to me this way again, consider yourself jobless.
That's the only thing you can do. But I will tell you this and I will tell you again. Go back and apologize to your father. If not, you will cry her diamond.
Me? And I...
Don't you dare. The very next time you lay this your filthy hand on me, I will slap the living daylight out of you. Rubbish.
Jesus, me. It is you and your entire generation that will cry and I know. Idiot. Killed you.
No more peace, no more harmony in our kingdom. Hey, la, la, hey, la, la, hey, mama.
You're my friend actually, but there are things you do I do not like. How can you be this evil?
Look at this girl. What did I do now? Tell me, am I the one that ordered the guards to flog Lover's father? Or am I the one that reported him before the Igwe to be brought here?
You supported her. She is your madam. You would have talked some senses into her before she reports her father to the Igwe. Look at how the man was humiliated in front of everybody. Is that right?
Manto. And so, is Lovett not an adult? Can't she make decisions for herself? Now, let me tell you, this is none of my business. If she likes, let her employ higher assassin to get her father killed. Or report her father to the way to be banished out of this kingdom. It's none of my business. I have my own family problems to handle. So please allow me to think. Let me use my number 6.
It's none of your business. It's none of your business. Can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself? This is why I said there are things you do I do not like. I know you're a bad person. Tochi, I have been supporting you, but I will no longer do that. I never knew you are this evil. Has it gotten to this extent?
Chimo.
Yes! You know what? I used to support you, but henceforth, I will no longer support you because I don't trust you. You will wake up one day and turn your back against me. But let me tell you, you better go and advise your madam to apologize to her father before he lay curses on you too. That evil girl.
Look at this one, oh. Look at this riffraff. Kamalu, if he can be one of maybe my chief maiden, you are here misbehaving, talking back at me, telling me that I am evil. Okay, it's fine, no problem. But consider this friendship over. I am done with you, stupid girl. Cannot see the future with me. I am the master planner. Allow me to plan this whole thing and it will work. Rubbish. Come and force me to apologize to her father now.
See, I'm so disappointed in the both of you. Let me ask you something. If that man were to be your father, and you hear that a man of your type did that to him, what would you have said? Or how will you react?
Sinjideka, you know very well that we work under the instruction of the Igwe.
We know that what we did was wrong, but we have no other option to obey the last command.
I understand you both. But what I want to tell you is go and look for that man and apologize to him. Go on your knees, apologize. Before that man will lay on course on you both. Oh. Go and look for him and apologize. If you go there, carry your shoulder up, don't kneel down. I have said my own.
Do you know that that man is good enough to be our father?
Yes, of course.
I think we should go and apologize to that man. I don't want any... Wait.
What?
Who knows if this man is going to forgive us?
I don't really know. I'm very scared because he's very harsh to us.
Let's go and try our luck. Okay?
I think so, he'll forgive us. Let's go.
Good day, sir. Please forgive us. Forgive us for what we did to you at the palace. Please. It was the Igwe that instructed us to flog you. Please.
Sir. We are so sorry, sir.
We never mean to flog you. Please. Please forgive us.
Please, sir. We are so sorry. We are also your children, sir. Please, sir.
I don't want you to lay a curse on us. Please forgive us.
Have mercy, sir.
We never have it in mind to flog you. Please. Please, sir. Forgive us.
Please, sir.
Sir, please, sir. Forgive us.
Please, sir.
It was the Igwe. You know, we are working under the Igwe instruction. Please, sir. Please, sir, forgive us.
Get up.
Could you stand up?
I say get up.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I know you are working under the instruction of the Igwe, but don't try that next time.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't try it next time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We'll never try it.
Go.
Thank you, sir.
Hey,
thank God.
No more peace, no more harmony in our kingdom. Hey, la, la, hey, la, hey, mama, hey, la, hey, la.
Ihe ọma juru na nke igwe o. Ebube juru ebe ndị ọgọ m o. Ego juru ebe ndị ọgọ m o. Ego akụnụba. Agụ na-agụ gị gawa bịa igwe, mmiri gụwa gị gawa bịa igwe. Ebube juru na bịa igwe ọgọ m. Ebube. Nna good day o. Hey. Hey. Nna daalụkwa. Na-enwe aṅụrị. Nai, I am coming from our in-laws' place. I went there to see our daughter. Hey.
Which in-laws? Because as far as I know, I have not given out my daughter's hand in marriage to anyone.
What are you saying? Which other in-law apart from the royal family that we all know? If you claim you have not given your daughter out in marriage, what is she doing at the palace?
I should be asking you that question, you and your daughter. I should be asking you that question. Your daughter and Onowu connived everything and bundle my daughter and go and dump her at the Igwe's palace. What is she doing there?
Nai. You're supposed to give up on this matter. Give up, are you not tired? Allow this girl to marry in peace. That is the thing. Allow her enjoy her marriage in peace. She is now married.
She is not married. To who? Did you hear what I said? I said, I have not given out my daughter's hand in marriage. So which marriage are you talking about?
Nah,
don't you hear me?
Calm down. Forget all these things you're doing. Calm down. Let me not forget. Igwe complained bitterly on how you rejected the bride price that was supposed to be paid on our daughter's head.
And he did not complain to you how he connived with my own daughter. And I asked those useless guys at the palace to flog me like a kid in presence of everybody in that palace. And my daughter was there, laughing at me, her father.
Nai.
It's okay.
Sorry.
No problem.
Forgive them. But if you ask me, I'll say you're the cause of what happened to you. That they flogged you, you caused it. Why did you slap Lovett? You slapped her because you feel because she's your daughter. And you forgot that she is now married. She is now the new queen. Because you gave birth to her. That's why you want to ridicule her. Do to her whatever you pleases. That things are not done like that. She's now a married woman. She's a future queen.
Agnes, before you walked in here, I was relaxing here with my drink. Please, can you leave my side?
There is nothing the Lord cannot do.
Agnes, I said, can you leave my side?
The Lord cannot do.
I know it's Igwe that gave you this money. And you are here enjoying, counting the money.
The Spirit of God
no problem.
Cannot do.
Don't worry. One day you see this thing, you come out. This thing you and your daughter and your brother planned. And bottom my daughter to the palace. One day all of you will cry had I know.
Nine. Do you know that rich people...
Agnes, I said leave my presence.
To where? Is this not my husband's house? Am I not in my husband's house? I am telling you something. You're telling me leave your presence. Like I was saying, rich people, they don't count money before giving to you. They'll just pack it. Because if you open this money, you see that 1,000 naira even inside. Ego juru ebi igwe o, ego juru. Na bi igwe o, akoroba juru. Na bi igwe anyi o, igwe ogom.
This has changed. If a bit of hope. Already be one God, a walk of this yoke. Come up with me for Monday morning. So, I want to get more cocoa. Manara wonder, love is gone.
Ezenwa, wife, is dead. Simon, daughter, is dead. Obinna, son, is dead. Last week, my only son died. gods of our land, how do we offend you? Get this Bible.
Igwe, please, all I'm saying is that try and do something about this sudden death in our community. Few days ago, Igwe, I lost my lovely wife, my beloved wife, Igwe. Biko, help us and do something before all of us will die. Because
Igwe, I lost my only son too. Igwe, I am asking you, what is happening? Have you asked our chief priest if the gods are angry with us?
Please, I want to ask a question. Go ahead. And I believe this question I'm about to ask has something to do with all that is happening. Your Royal Highness, this question goes to you. Before you sent Ezemba family out of this community, did you ask questions? Because as far as I'm concerned, and as one of your cabinet, I did all I'm supposed to do by telling you that what you did was wrong. Instead, you walked me out of the palace.
Igwe, this is a very good question. And please, we need answer. We need answers from you. Tell us, Biko.
Ichoke, what have I said that is wrong? That I called strangers strangers? Is that wrong? Are they not strangers? Mbiambia. Don't you know? You all know it's true. So what is wrong in calling a stranger a stranger? I'm talking about them becoming an Onowu. I said no because a stranger cannot become an Onowu. Second in command. And then what happens? One day they will ask to become Igwe. So what is wrong in saying the truth? I brought it to the council and some of you supported me.
Igwe, you deny them their rights. You marginalize them. As if you don't know the history of Ezemba family and how they came into this community. Have you ever asked yourself why all the recent Onowus died within 2 months of taking the title? Have you also asked yourself how death entered our families one after the other?
Are you in any way suggesting or accusing me that I am the cause of all the calamities in this community?
Igwe, answer that question. Use your tongue to count your teeth.
Oji and Okesi, you are both foolish. I say you are both foolish.
Who is foolish?
Look at when you are talking to our Igwe. Do you expect the Igwe to give those strangers the Onowu title?
Strangers indeed. And you do go about collecting community levies from them and you call them strangers. Well, I don't expect you to say something different when you have taken the position that belongs to them. And I want to let you know that if this matter is not solved, what is happening to other families will visit your own.
Okay, say back to sender.
It will visit your
back to sender. Back to
sender. No, it will happen to you.
Back to sender.
It must happen to you.
All I'm saying is that whatever the Igwe says stands. And I, as the Onowu, will always support the Igwe. Yes.
Oh no, please hold it there. Let me educate you people a bit.
I am of the opinion that what we're supposed to be doing here is either we are thinking on what to do or we are discussing what to do to avert further calamity befalling our land. You see, if we don't do something very fast, the calamity that will befall us is yet to come. A bigger one for that matter.
Sit down! Sit down. Don't people die every day? Every hour? Every minute? Every second? Why are you blowing the deaths in our community out of proportion? Why? Okay. You all should go and rest. This meeting has ended.
This was tear apart. If I may be war, this has changed. If I be to go, already be one gada buoko kobisioko. Come up with me for Monday morning, Bunsomu. Akwatoye mwakoka. Manara wanuya. Love is gone. Understanding is far from.
Yeah. Oh no, and the chair Simon. I don't like the way you people talk sometimes. How could you be supporting Igwe for sending Ichie Ufele and his people out of this community? And now we are in trouble. So how can we solve this problem? How can we solve the trouble?
Oh no. What is this man saying?
Because as far as I'm concerned, Ichie is the one that said nothing. Ichie is the one. Now I know there's something wrong with your head. Yes, you. You supported this thing from the beginning, Ichie is the one. Are you trying to say that the Igwe is responsible for what is happening in this community? Ichie is the one. Or is it because you lost your wife recently? Yes!
Oh no.
Ichie is the one.
You all know that Ichie, Okeze, and Mazoji have discussed this with the king. And he did not do anything. So what do you expect me to say that he will listen?
My friend, keep quiet. You have nothing reasonable to say.
Nothing reasonable to say, Ichie is the one.
Or let me ask you. Are you trying to tell us now that if you are the Igwe, you allow strangers to take the title of Onowu in our own land?
Strangers.
Nala.
Strangers.
Amame.
Okay, me. Who are the strangers? Who are the strangers? I know that Ichie, Ufele, and their people, they are not strangers. Because they made sacrifice to our gods. And that's why they are one of us in this kingdom. So let the king give them what rightfully belongs to them.
And let the gods wipe us all off. What are you saying?
Oh no. Let me ask you one question. Where was the gods when the sacrifice was made to accept Ezemba's family in this kingdom? To become one of us?
No. Let us leave this man. Let us go before this man will put us into trouble with the gods of the land. Let us leave this man and move out of this place now.
I think we should go.
This has tear apart. If I may be war, this has changed. If I be to go, already be one gada buoko kobisioko. Come up with me for Monday morning, Bunsomu. Akwatoye mwakoka. Manara wanuya. Love is gone. Understanding is far from us. Cause of our land, please don't keep quiet. Cause of our forefathers, please come on, yeah, come on. If I may be war, hey la la, hey la la,
my son.
Yes, Papa.
You are finally done with your master degree.
Yes. Done and dusted.
Oh. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh,
Congratulations, son.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
Your wife will be so happy to see you.
We'll see.
Where is this girl?
Love it! Love it! Where is... Love it, come on! Love it! Your husband is here!
So tell us, how did it go?
Dad, I'm tired. I need to get some rest.
I know, but just at least let us.
It's a story for another.
Look at you. It's a story for today.
My husband is here! My love! Obiora!
Come on, it's nothing. Oh, come on.
He just came back and he's a little bit.
Oh, he just wants to take a nap. That's all, nothing.
He's just straight away as if he saw a ghost. What have I done?
Oh, it's nothing. He's not the hug kind of person, you know?
People will have enough time to be together, okay? It's okay, just relax. Hold on, I'm coming.
Come on. You loves you. Are you sure? Sure, my son. Come on. He just needs to get a little rest.
Are you sure this thing will... I don't understand.
I'm the father. You know, because mommy is here, daddy is here, he might be feeling a little bit shy, you understand? Stuff like that. Just a little rest, you'll be fine. It's okay. Come on, princess.
Hi, Mom.
Obiora.
Mom.
Why did you behave like that to Lovett?
What did I do?
What stupid attitude was that?
Mom, listen, I just got back. Give me some break.
Obiora, listen to me and listen good. You see, this time around, we have to be reasonable. Yes, I would not want what happened before to repeat itself again.
Mom, listen, can you leave my room, please?
I will do that. But you have to do this. Listen to me and do what I just told you.
Mom, listen.
Be reasonable, I said. That girl has endured a lot. She has been in this palace waiting for you patiently.
Mom, can you leave my room? I just got back.
I said be reasonable. Do not allow what happened before to repeat itself again because I will not take it from you. Obiora! It's okay.
I know where my heart is. Only me know what my heart wants. I know my heart is yearning for.
So how are you enjoying the countryside?
It's very hot, Dad.
Really?
Yeah.
You get used to it.
Dad, I got back and realized Choma is not in the palace. Where is she?
She doesn't work in the palace anymore.
How do you mean she doesn't work in the palace anymore?
Her people, the Umwezemba family, they have relocated. And besides, that girl is a thief.
Father, I don't understand. What do you mean? Relocated, Choma is a thief. Where's that coming from?
Oh, well, you know, it's a long story. But the summary of it is that people wanted to produce the Onu of this kingdom. And you know, they are strangers. I said no. And they relocated.
But Dad, I'm trying to understand you. What's wrong if they produce the next Prime Minister? I mean, they're obviously a part of us. They pay their taxes, right?
My son, they are strangers. So I said no, and then they relocated. And I will not do anything that will attract the wrath of the gods. If I allow them, the gods will be angry with us. And that might produce a calamity.
Dad, To the best of my knowledge, I stand to be corrected if I'm wrong. The king before you allowed that to happen. Why is your reign different?
Oh well, because I will not want to do anything that will attract the anger of the gods.
That you have to bring them back. Very important. You have to bring them back because I have to see Chioma. She has my beads. I deliberately gave it to her.
Son, forget about that girl. Forget about anything Umwezemba. Just forget about her. Forget the bead. Forget everything.
Father, I'll go in search of them. I will, if you don't do anything about it.
Son, let me warn you. If you go in search of them, whatever you see, you take. Do not say I did not warn you.
Someone
Why are you people standing here when you should be in the sitting room waiting for me?
Igwe, there is a problem. A very big problem.
So what could that be?
Igwe, we know who is dead.
What?
Died this morning.
What happened? Was he sick?
Your Majesty, he was not sick. He slumped and died according to his wife and children.
Igwe, this is the 6th person that died.
6th person?
After receiving the Onowu title from you, which you know rightly belongs to the Ezemba family.
What are you insinuating?
Oh, no, Igwe. Keep insinuating out of this matter.
Yes.
Keep insinuating out of this matter.
Keep it out.
Before all of us will die.
It's very clear now.
So, right now, what are we to do? What do you suggest?
Igwe, I suggest we go and see the chief priest.
Fine! See the chief priest immediately.
Igwe,
go! See the chief priest.
Igwe, Baba. Igwe, back in there.
Let's go.
It won't be necessary.
How can the chief priest say that I, Igwe Umona, I know the cause of the death of my own people? How? Ndiche, I do not know anything about the death of my people. I swear by the gods, I do not know anything.
Igwe, ndị be anyị sịrị, okenye si na ya amaghị ịgwa ụwa arụwa. Let us tell ourselves the truth, Igwe. You know the cause. You sent Ezemba family out of this community. The last time I spoke to you on this, all you did was to ask me out of the palace. Igwe, send for them and find a way to bring them back. You are taking this matter lightly because the death has not visited your family.
Igwe, it's okay, this right. Igwe, please, do something. Do something to stop this mysterious death and calamity in this our kingdom.
I don't get it. I don't get it anymore. Is this some kind of conspiracy?
Igwe, no one is conspiring against you.
No, because I am disappointed at the way you are reasoning. Thoroughly disappointed. I am protecting Umuana Kingdom. Because I am disappointed in the kind of reasoning coming out from your head and mouth. Noble men of Umuana. Do you want me to go and get people who left Umuana willingly on their own? Voluntarily they left. And do you understand the implication of bringing them back to Umuana? That means they will now be taking the Onowu title.
Ohune sekwoku bu Onowu, okwema. Iletel. Ohune sekwoku bu Onowu.
Very soon the Ezemba clan will ask to be Igwe. But as respectable Ichie that you are, what we should be thinking about now is whom next to crown as Onowu. And if you ask me to suggest, based on tradition, culture, good upbringing, Ichie Oji should be the next Onowu.
Biko, take that Onowu, join with your Igwe, so that your title will be complete. You want me to be the next person that will die, Igwe, or the not possible? Thank you.
What is happening in Omona Kingdom? What is going on in Omona?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Ichie.
My son, you're welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm here to ask you a very important question.
Go ahead.
You see, I particularly came to you because I know you're a man of integrity. You speak the truth to my father without fear or favor.
That is true, my son.
I need you to help me solve a puzzle. You see, is it true that the gods of our land forbids the Umwezemba family from taking the Onowu title? You see, Ichie, I ask because I go back from the UK and I've realized I haven't seen a particular girl, or do I say a particular maiden called Choma. And when I asked about her, my father said to me that I should ignore the conversation because I wouldn't understand. And when I put a little more pressure on him, he said to me that Chioma and her entire family relocated. Ichie,
my son,
I'm totally confused. Are you aware of this situation?
My son, you are welcome.
Thank you.
First of all, I want to thank the gods of our land for giving you this wisdom to seek the truth and not to the path of your father.
Great.
You say you want me to tell you the truth? Absolutely.
I will do just that now. The gods of our land did not forbid Umuezemba family from the Onowu title. There is no such law existing in our kingdom. The fact is that your father hated them and wanted to frustrate them with that stupid law. I tried all I could to make your father see reasons before he took that decision. But he wouldn't listen to me. He bluntly refused. Today, we all are suffering it. Many of our families have lost their children, all because of this issue. Yet, your father has not learnt a lesson. This is the truth, nothing but the truth.
Iche, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What do you think is the solution to this problem?
My son, I suggest we just sit and watch the Igwe and see the outcome of this. But one thing I know is sure, that whatever goes up must surely come down. That is what I know.
Iche, you see, I have a challenge. Choma, the girl in question.
Yes.
I need to find her. She has my beads. I gave her my beads, the royal bead, on purpose. What if we go in search of her?
My son, do you know where they relocated to? Where do you go searching for them? Where do we start from? That is the question. Just go home and relax, my son. Things will get better soon. Yes. We can't go on a wild search. We can't.
Son, please calm down. And we'll look for a solution, okay?
Mom, you don't understand, do you? The only solution I see here is for you to tell your husband to bring back those people he sent away. I have asked questions. I have made my inquiries. And I've been told that there's no such thing as the gods forbidding the people of Umuezemba from becoming prime minister. Why do you hate them so much? And most importantly, the woman I want to marry, she's with them. She has my royal beads. I want her back.
Why are you people ganging up against me? Why are you trying to put the blame on me? I mean, I didn't ask them to go. Those strangers, I never asked them to leave. They left on their own. For whatever reason. And let me tell you, I will be the last king on Mother Earth that will leave his throne and go looking for wandering strangers. I will do no such thing. And if they come back to this kingdom, if they wander and come back, well, they can stay. But let me let you know that they have lost every right and privilege of a citizen of this kingdom. And so shall it be. And that's final. As for that girl called Choma, stop dreaming about her. Stop wasting your time with her because you already have a wife in the person of Lovett. She is your wife and you will get married to her. Let me tell you, we will go to her father's house and pay her bride price and do the traditional things according to our culture and custom. She becomes your wife. And that is final.
Did you hear your husband? Well, that's impossible. In that case, I'll go back to the UK and never return.
No, sir, it has not gotten to that. Obiora! Obiora! Obi!
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, please, you have to eat. Your Majesty, I'm talking to you. Your Majesty, did you hear him?
No more peace, no more harmony in our kingdom.
I sent for you to ask you some very important questions because I know you're going to tell me the truth. And one thing about you is certain. I've always trusted you in this palace. I'm aware you're a very good girl.
Thank you, my prince.
So I need the truth. And nothing but the truth. Now tell me. My parents said something to me. I want to hear from you. Tell me everything that happened when I was away. I was told Choma stole. What do you know about that?
My prince, is a lie. Choma cannot possibly steal. She doesn't take what does not belong to her. The money Lovett claimed was missing and found inside Choma's bag.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, my prince.
Why are you so sure?
My prince, Tochi and Choma were not in good times when she was still working here. Because everybody in this palace likes Choma, so Tochi became jealous of her. When Princess Lovett moved in, Tochi was assigned to serve Princess Lovett. So they teamed up because of the bid you gave to her. I think they know the meaning. So they teamed up to take her out of the palace.
They teamed up to send her out of the palace because I gave her a bead.
Yes, my prince.
You're sure about that?
Yes, my prince.
All right. That'll be all for now. Thank you. Are you surprised?
I'm surprised and happy to see you.
Relax.
Okay, I'm relaxed.
You're beautiful.
Really? Oh my God. You are handsome too. Thank you so much.
Relax.
Okay.
Sit down.
Okay. I'm so happy to have you in my room. my prince, my husband, my everything. I'm so happy. Your first time coming to my room. I'm so honored to have you here.
Relax.
Okay.
I'm here to ask you some questions.
Okay.
If you tell me the truth, I promise to always spend the night in your room. I can see how surprised you are.
I'm happy, so happy to have you here. I promise you, my love, I will tell you the truth, nothing but the truth. Ask me, I will tell you.
Good. But if you lie to me, you'll never see me again. Why did Chioma leave the palace?
Chioma. Okay, my prince, I will tell you everything that happened. I was looking for my money. And Chioma and Tochi were the only people that comes to my room. So in order not to accuse anyone, I called all the maidens except Chioma because she went out. I asked them, none of them agreed that they took my money. So I went to their room to search their bags. My prince, lo and behold, I found my stolen money in Chioma's bag. So your father, the king, said that all the maidens would take an oath. My prince, before the next morning, Chioma ran away. We didn't see her again. It means she's a thief. She stole my money. That was what happened.
You know, when I walked in here, I saw how surprised you were.
Very well. I'm happy too.
And I promised you, if you speak the truth, I'll always pass the night here. And maybe, who knows, you might spend the night in my room too. But I can clearly see you have nothing to tell me.
My prince, I told you everything that's happened. Chioma stole my money. She's a thief. Yes. She ran away.
Chioma is a thief?
Yes, she is. Believe me, I can't lie to you, my love. I can't lie to my love. I'm telling you the truth.
But you're lying.
My prince, I'm not lying. Just look at me. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Chioma is a thief. She's a criminal. My prince! My love, please.
I know where my heart is. Only me know what my heart wants. I'm a Ramoye Bobby man.
So, no, it's not possible. I won't do it. Mba. I won't do it. I won't. Your Majesty. Long live Igwe. Sit. Sit down. Igwe, you sent for me. Ah, yes, I will not do it. Can you imagine? my late father, the late Igwe, came to me in a dream last night. You know what he said?
No.
He said I should allow the Umwezemba family to I should go and look for them and bring them back to Mona. And not only that, he said I should give them whatever they want, allow them to become Ono. See, not even my father can cause me to change my decision because they are strangers. I will not allow them. I will not allow strangers take up position in my kingdom. He allowed them. That was his time. I must correct it. I will not allow them take up any position in this kingdom.
Your Majesty, that is what I wanted to ask you. But now that you've spoken, Your Majesty,
your father said all this?
Yes.
And what did you tell him? I did not tell him anything. What will I tell him?
Igwe, Your Majesty,
as your closest confidant in this cabinet, which is why you have sent for me, if I can suggest, or if you will allow me to suggest, I will say you have to think about what your late father Igwe said, because he understands the tradition more than you. My humble suggestion, Your Majesty. Ichie Simon,
Your Majesty,
get out of my palace.
Get out! What is happening?
I should do.
In Omona Kingdom, what is going on?
Imbecile. It appears you want to get flogged. I will not do it. Never. Never.
What?
I can't see.
What is happening? You... Obiora! Obiora!
I can't see.
Obiora!
Obiora!
Your Majesty, look at me.
Obiora!
Calm down. Obi!
I can't see.
You can't see?
What is it? Where is Obiora?
Mom, Obiora! Look at Obiora here. Obi!
Dad, I can't see.
What happened?
I don't understand. He said he can't see.
He can't see?
Dad. Okay, look at me. Look,
what happened?
Here, I am here.
Obiora, I can't see.
This is Obiora here.
I can't see.
I'm here. Dad, I'm here.
I can't see.
What happened?
I can't see.
You can't see?
How?
I woke up this morning. I just woke up now. I can't see.
Really?
Hey!
Let me get some water. Let me get some water.
Put on the light. Put on the light.
The light is on.
Hey.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty. You mean you woke up this morning and got blind?
This is what I saw. I woke up in the morning, as usual, but I could not see anything. Everywhere was dark, complete darkness. And up till now, I still cannot see. I can't see anything. I can't see anybody. I'm confused. What is happening to me?
My elders, I suggest we should take him to the hospital. No. Why? From what I'm seeing here, it's more spiritual than physical. I am of the opinion that we go to the chief priest. This problem.
Mazi, why do you say so?
Okay, good. Okay, let me educate you people.
Okay.
2 days ago, I met Simon, and he told me that our late Igwe appeared to him, the ghost, and he warned him that our present Igwe must go and look for the family of Ezemba. Bring them back to this our kingdom. Give them back whatever that belongs to them that was taken from them. Else, what our Igwe will suffer will be very mysterious. Moreover, since this thing started, our Igwe had never been himself, and now he's blind. Oh, so good.
I said it. I warned the way, but he wouldn't listen. By the way, where is the prince?
He went to see a doctor.
This is not doctor's matter. It has nothing to do with doctors.
I still insist that we go to the chief priest to resolve this matter.
It's okay. We'll see whatever you want to do, do. See the chief priest. Is Okezia here?
I'm here. I'm here.
Okezia. What of Ichie Simon? Where is Simon? Okezia, you will go with Ichie Simon to the chief priest, and when you get there, get me words back. Okay?
I will do exactly that.
Hey.
I'll do exactly that.
How do we make one?
The Igwe's late father told him to go and look for Ezemba family and bring them back to this kingdom for this calamity to stop. But he refused. He refused. And I'm telling you now, in next 3 market days, if that instruction is not obeyed, the Igwe and his entire family will be wiped out, including you cabinet members. It's because of this same issue that the people of Omwana Kingdom are dying. Go and tell the Igwe to do exactly what his late father asked him to do. Ndiche, go and tell him.
I told Igwe. I warned him, but he refused. Let's go.
What is happening in Omona Kingdom? What is going on in Omona Kingdom?
That was exactly what the chief priest said. And we'll have to do something before things get too late.
That question is not necessary.
Think so?
We need to go in search of them. But the challenge is, we don't know where to find them.
I know the community. When we get there, we'll ask questions.
That's a brilliant idea. We do that as soon as possible.
Okay then.
I'll keep in touch.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Thank you, my
Thank you.
This has stirred up Ọkwọtụ onye nwe ọkụkọ mana ọra wọnụ ya. Love is gone, understanding is far from us. Cause of our land, please don't keep quiet. Cause of our forefathers, please come, come on, yeah, come on. If you make me know, mama, what is happening in Omona Kingdom? What is going on in Omona Kingdom? No more peace, no more harmony in our kingdom. This has tear apart. If I maybe more, this has changed.
This one, the prince and the elders of Oman are in my house. I hope all is well.
All is well.
Very well.
Okay, in that case, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
My prince and the elders of Oman, you mean the reason you are here is because Igwe asked you to tell us to come back to Oman Kingdom? After all we have been through, Mbano. See, my elders, we are okay here. We are very, very comfortable here.
Yes.
This place is so good for us. We are comfortable. No intimidation. No denying of our rights. So we're okay here. Bikono.
We all know about this. And we are not here to argue this with you. You see, we also know that the way people were treated was not good. Yes, it was not good. That is why we have come to ask you to come back home. Your home. You can never be more comfortable in a strange land. Come back home.
Not at all.
Please.
One more thing, Kanjokwa. Why this visit without the Igwe?
Igwe is not here with us, but his son, the prince, is here to represent him.
I see. Well, as you can see, we have established here.
Do you want us to leave everything and start following you to the place where we were rejected? Mbana. Okay, man?
Iche, why are you saying this? Why are you saying all this? I thought we have settled this matter. We have talked this thing over. Why dragging us back again? what we should be talking now is the way forward, not backward.
Did I hear you say way forward? Let me ask you, if not because of the mysterious death that is happening in that community, would you people have come for us?
Juofa.
Huh?
Iche. Ezebo him, Iche Ofele. To be frank with you, we had a very serious quarrel with Igwe over this. Please, let's move forward. Come back home.
We've had you people. Thank God my brothers are here. We'll discuss. But I doubt if we can still come back to that community. I doubt it.
Iche Ofele.
My prince.
You have spoken well. I'd like to express myself. But before I proceed, I'd like to thank the Council of Chiefs here present for joining me down here. We have come to apologize to you. We know that you and your brothers are upset. We know that our people have offended you. The entire royalty. You were sent out of your own place for reasons best known to my father. I understand your frustration. I understand your pain. But please, I'm here to apologize on behalf of my father. I'm here to apologize on behalf of the entire royal kingdom. On behalf of the entire community. Forgive us. Please. If not for anything, I say I'm sorry. Please, forgive us. If not for anything, but for the sake of Chioma, my wife to be, kindly forgive us.
The rich doesn't care how the poor feels. Everybody's fighting for right. The rich doesn't care.
Igwe, my brothers and I, we are saying thank you for the hospitality during our little stay in your community, Ekunife. My brothers and I will remain grateful to you. And our prayer is that the God of this land will continue to guide you and your family. Thank you so much. Well, like I said, we are going back. Though my people are not happy that we are going back due to what we went through in that community. But you see, our people, they want us back due to our discussions, and they have agreed to our terms and their conditions. So we are going back. Like I said, we are so grateful. My brothers and I will remain grateful. And may the gods of this kingdom continue to guide you and your family, Igwe.
Icheofe,
Your Highness.
it is okay.
Thank you so much.
And it shall be well with you.
Say,
I have to wish all of you safe journey.
say.
But in other sense, I would have loved you both to remain here.
Thank you, Your Highness.
The rich doesn't care power fails. Everybody's fighting for right.
My visit to the great king Ikenga was successful. He sends his greetings and he gave me some words of advice for you. He said, and I quote, "Your father must not only be a ruler, but a leader." Those were his words, Father.
My son, thank you very much. Your journey was successful. I am so happy. I am so happy to be alive, to do what my father, the late Igwe Ofonze, has asked me to do. I'm so happy. Son,
Father,
you must prepare big for this celebration because we are going to welcome them in a big way.
That's okay, Father. And Father, I have a surprise for my people, the entire people of Umona. I'd like to make a request on that day.
Son, whatever it is that you want to request on that day, today, I grant it.
Thank you, Father. I'm here.
The rich doesn't care how the power fails. Everybody's fighting for right. The rich doesn't care how the power.
I welcome you, members of the Ezimba family. I welcome you back to Umuona Kingdom. I am sorry for all the things I have done against you. In every way that I have offended you, I ask you to forgive me. And I promise that it will never happen again. I also want to let you know that all the rights and dignity accrued to your village will be returned to you immediately, starting from now. Iche Ufele.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Come here.
I'm here, Your Majesty.
Iche Okezie.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Come and help me. Iche Ufele.
Your Majesty.
Iche Ufele.
Your Majesty.
Give me your hand.
I'm here, sir.
Iche. Okay, Zia, where are the beads?
I'm here.
Give me the beads.
Here are the beads, Your Majesty.
Where is the one for the neck?
Your Majesty, this is it.
Is he wearing anything on his head?
Yes.
The cap?
Yes, the cap, Your Majesty.
Fix it well. I return to you the Onowu of Umuona Kingdom.
Che, Umuona kwenu? Yeah. Umuona kwenu? Yeah. Kwezono?
Your Highness, I want to thank you very much. Emana ndị Igbo na-atụ ịnụ sị na ụkwa ruo oge ya ọ daa. Ọzọ wee bụrụ na isi kwesị ịbụ eze ga-abụrịrị eze. Your Majesty, I want to thank you that the whole thing is happening today. Though, like I said, I am so happy, very happy. But my happiness is not complete because of your condition. But my prayer today is that the gods of Umuona Kingdom will restore your sight in no distant time. Thank you so much.
You may return. My son, the prince.
Igwe.
You say you have a special request to make.
Yes, my king.
Let us hear you.
Cha Umuona kwenu? Kwenu? Kwezono? On behalf of my father, the king, and my beloved mother, the queen, I want to welcome everybody, and I would also like to apologize for all of the setbacks. And may the gods reward all of you. I specifically told my father that I have a surprise. And I'm very excited that this is the right time to show my people my surprise. Choma, please come forward. Igwe, would you respect my king? I'd like to introduce Choma to you. We all know her. She used to be one of the palace maids here. And to cut a long story short, I have chosen her to be my wife. I know that my decision is quite surprising to everybody, but
You can see? You can see? Your Majesty.
I can see! I can see! My son.
You can see me?
Yes, I can see. I can see.
Father, you can see?
Father, you can see.
So, if Toshi did not confess, I wouldn't have known that I've been living with two devils in this palace.
You people had the guts to label an innocent girl a criminal. While both of you are the criminals we have in this palace. By the time I am done with both of you, in this your life and your next life, you will never plan evil against any human being again. Lovers, look at you. Look at you. I have been fighting and protecting you in this palace. Unknown to me that you are a devil. Shame on you. Now, both of you, apologize to Chioma. Fast! Do that!
Sorry. I'm sorry.
God.
Yes, my king.
take these two swine to the back of the house and deal with them.
Yes, my king.
Thereafter, throw out all their belongings out of this palace, never to return.
Yes, my king.
Yes, my king.
My king, I have one more confession to make. I was on my own, no. Before this failed princess came to me and said we should plan evil, I told her that I cannot plan evil. I'm a child of God. I can't plan evil. That the uncle is a doctor. That she planned everything. Who is that your uncle? Do I have any uncle? I don't have any uncle. Who is this? I want you. You want me. Have they not left everything? Have they not left you? Have they not left you? Take this away. She took everything. She took everything. Just want to take away. Not to be like another joke.
Take them out.
I will do.
Wait. If you touch me now, no. Wait.
Move.
Please just forgive them.
Don't worry. I'll see what I can do. Okay? Stand up.
I know where my heart is. Only me know what
Get
my heart
up.
wants. I'm a Ramoye Bobima. I know who my heart is yearning for. Cause only beauty, love you waiting I want, mama.
Mama, please, I'm sorry for everything I've done to you. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry for the insults, the flogging. I'm sorry. I know it's my fault. Please forgive me, please. I know you have the right to disown me, but please don't do that. You know I'm your only child. Forgive me. Mama.
Nai, my husband, Okobioma, Odimnobi, the husband of my youth. Please forgive us. We are sorry for disrespecting you.
I'm sorry, Papa.
We are sorry for the flogging at the palace because I'm not for a go for Baluzi. It will not happen again.
No,
it's a mistake that will never reoccur. It will never. Biko, Balo, Biko, walk up your man.
Please, I'm sorry, Mama, please.
Baluzi and I.
Mama, sorry.
Go inside.
Mama, is your photo.
You're not blaming me. Eh? Go inside and beg your father. You're here telling me it's my fault. How is it my fault?
Mama, please.
You wanted to marry me.
I know where my heart is. Only me know what my heart wants. I'm a Ramoye Bobima. I know who my heart is yearning for. Cause only beauty, love you waiting I want to, mama. Wabu stainless, love you waiting I want to, papa. Academic qualifications, love you waiting I want to, mama. Only beauty, love you waiting I want to, papa. I have found my own love. Achatagama Bima, she's my love and everything. She's my love, everything. I have found my own love. Achatagama Bima. She's my love and everything. She's my life and everything. I have found my own love. Achatagama Bima. She's my love and everything. I know where my heart is. Only me know what my heart wants. I'm a Ramoye Bobima. I know who my heart is yearning for. Cause only beauty, love you waiting I want to, mama. Wabu stainless, love you waiting I want to, papa. Academic qualifications, love you waiting I want to, mama. Only beauty, love you waiting I want to, papa. I have found my own love. Achatagama Bima, she's my love and everything. She's my love, everything. I have found my own love. Achatagama Bimo, she's my love and everything. She's my life and everything. I have found my own love. Achatagama Bimo, she's my love and everything.
My queen.
My love.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
I love you so much.
And I love you even more.
I know where my heart is. Only me know what my heart wants. I'm a Ramoya Bobima. I know who my heart is yearning for. Cause only beauty, love you waiting I want to, mama. Weapons stainless, love you waiting I want to, papa. Academic qualifications, love you waiting I want to, mama. Only beauty, love you waiting I want to, papa. I have found my own love. Achatagama Bimo, she's my love and everything. She's my love, everything. I have found my own love. Achatagama Bimo, she's my love and everything. She's my life and everything. I have found my own love. Achatagama Bimo, she's my love and everything. I know where my heart is. Only me know what my heart wants. I'm a Ramoya Bobima. I know who my heart is yearning for. Cause only beauty, love you waiting I want to, mama. Weapons stainless, love you waiting I want to, papa. Academic qualifications, love you waiting I want